If a person giving you a some amount of Bitcoin, they does not physically giving you something, and they does not transfer anything to your Bitcoin account. In Bitcoin, there is no account system like in our traditional banking system. Before learn that, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That helps me to make more videos. Remember, Bitcoin doesn't work like traditional banking system. Here we have a pair of public and private key. Whoever sending you a Bitcoin, they actually sending the rights to use the Bitcoin. They just announcing the Bitcoin network. They giving the rights of using some amount of Bitcoin to you. The cryptocurrency and the Bitcoin doesn't move between the accounts. They sit inside a blockchain. The people exchanging the rights for use them. Person wants to send money to another person. The person needs the another person's Bitcoin ID. Bitcoin ID is nothing but the hash value of the public key. Person entered a public key his ID number and enter the amount of Bitcoin that he wants to send to. When the person send that message to the Bitcoin network, the miners validate and check the transaction detail and approve. And the miners send the rights to use the Bitcoin to the another person. This is how the transaction happening in Bitcoin network. Public and private key pair are the important thing for this transaction, because the private and public key hash must be matched. Does not match or the keys are stolen, you can't do nothing. Here the cryptocurrency wallet have been introduced. Cryptocurrency wallet is used to secure your both public and private key. Okay, let's talk about miners. Miners is a very helpful to Bitcoin network. Without miners, Bitcoin wouldn't function. A miner work is to validate the new transaction and add the transaction details into a blockchain. Into a block inside a blockchain. If a miner enter transaction detail into a blockchain, he will get block reward. The value of block reward is every miners get 6.25 Bitcoin when they add a transaction details into a blockchain. Okay, finally, like that hashing system, the Bitcoin transaction have been also irreversible. Okay, we see about what is Bitcoin and how the Bitcoin have been introduced, and how the transaction have been takes place between the in Bitcoin, and who is user and who is miners, and about miners, the hashing system, encrypting, digital signature, and more we see in this topic. Okay, guys, if you have some doubts, ask them in comments. I will clear it for you. Okay, guys, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon also. That will motivate me to make some more quality contents. Okay, guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off, Aravind from Mr. Aravind.